Hi guys. Alrighty, so tax season is upon us. All right, it is 2023. However, if you're current with your tax returns, you are going to be doing 2022. All right, that's always a little bit confusing for folks. So just to clear that up a bit, we are in 2023 doing 2022 tax returns or previous years. All right, so you may want to know what it is you need to provide in order for us to be able to do your tax return. First of all, we need your current information. All right. So we have a client information form that nobody ever wants to fill out, but we really do need you to fill that out. However, if there are no updates, we have made it simple on our form. It just says no updates. Okay. You have not moved. You have not gotten married. You haven't had any more children. You have not changed jobs. Nothing has changed in your life from 2021 to 2022. So simply put no updates and we're good to go there. However, if you have moved, if you have had children, if you have gotten married, we need to know that information. So please fill out your client organizer. That's going to help make sure we have all your information in place, okay? Secondly, we need to know what your income is. So super important for us to know what you earned in 2022, okay? So just to note, the IRS says you find $1 on the floor, it's income. All right, so make sure you're able to provide all of your income, your W-2s, your 1099s, your profit and loss statements, your bank statements, whatever it is that indicates what you earned in 2022 or previous years. We need to know that. We also need to know, for those of you who have businesses, we need to know what your expenses are. And we can drill down a little bit into that in another video because businesses need special attention. However, some of you guys don't have businesses, but you are entitled to certain deductions. All right. So we want to know what your mortgage interest was. We want to know what your property taxes were. We want to know what charitable contributions you gave in 2022. We want to know what your medical expenses, because if you do exceed the threshold, we can take your medical expenses. We want to know all of the information in regards to your dependents. Okay. We want to know if they were in school. We want to know if you were in school. So there's some 1098s there. So make sure you're able to provide us with all of your income, all of your expenses, anything that relates to your deductions. And you might have to wait a moment because people have until January 31st, and in some instances, some portions of February, to send you out this information. All right. So, as eager as we are to receive those refunds, we may not have the documents necessary to file yet. And we don't want to rush it because we also don't want to have to do an amendment. Although we can, we want to avoid those if necessary. All right. So we want to make sure we have all of our documents in place. And then obviously the next step is to call the office so you can get that appointment. Or you can go on our website, schedule an appointment. You can go through your client portal to schedule. So many ways to schedule that appointment. But once you have all your documents in place, go ahead and make sure you get scheduled for that appointment. Any other details, we'll be happy to walk you through those. But happy tax filing, and we'll talk to you soon.